How to watch live football on YouTube TV. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can watch live football using the YouTube TV platform or application. Now it's very simple. All I have to do first is visit tv.youtube.com's official site, which is this one. So if you scroll down from here, this is where you can actually choose a plan that works for you. If you go on the YouTube TV default, you can click on see all channels. And as you can see, there is actually a specific channel here where you can watch live football TV and as well as from the sports plan. In here, you can try with NBC, SBS, CBS Sports Network, ESPN, and so on and so forth. Now, there is also an additional feature that you can get out of those specific subscription. So from here, you can actually customize your experience with add-ons and you can go straight into more features or more live sports. So you can actually watch live football TV from here or in any of those subscription. Just head straight, set up your payment method and start paying your monthly sub. And that's it. That's how you watch live football on YouTube TV.